At this time, I would like to invite for lamp lighting a true leader, motivator, and great person by heart. Whoever he meets, he will say, "Hello, boss." If you see Mafat Bhai on Devon Avenue, even I happen to be there today, Mafat Bhai is there. So every single person who goes by Devon Avenue, everybody says hello to Mafat Bhai, and Mafat Bhai says hello to them too. Mr. Mafat Patel, President of Air Tours. Give it up for Mr. Mafat Patel. The great supporter to Air Tours, Vice President Mr. Tulsi Bhai Patel. Mr. Tulsi Bhai, give it up for Tulsi Bhai. He is always there at Patel Brothers too. The founder of Air Tours Incorporation, Mr. Amrit Bhai Patel. Amrit Bhai, give it up for Amrit Bhai. Now I would like to invite all three brothers to come to the stage. And Naren Patel, please come on stage for lamp lighting. Mafat Bhai, Naren Patel, CEO of MedStar Laboratory, Tulsi Bhai and Amrit Bhai.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय
जोरदार ताड़ियों गड़गड़ाहट થઈ જાય તો સરસ પ્લીઝ બિહાઇન્ડ
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभ कार्येषु सर्वदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा.
On behalf of Air Tours Inc. and Mafat Bhai Patel, I want to welcome you all. It is my privilege to welcome our associate partners, Mr. Muhammad Anwar. Please stand and get recognized. From Etihad Airways, preferred airline partner, Mr. Ravi Shankar, CEO of Vacations Exotica. Please get recognized. Associate partner flew especially for the event from India. Thank you. Ms. Sandra from Norwegian Cruise Lines, preferred cruise partner. Ms. Sandra, thank you. And lastly, our trusted supplier, Travel Corporation of India. Unfortunately, their representative couldn't make it because of their prior commitments, but we miss you and we thank you. Once again, welcome to our valued clients, partners, and invitees. At this time, I want to call upon our leader, Mr. Mafat Bhai Patel, a true leader and great person by heart. Mr. Mafat Patel origins from a small village in India. During his student days and as a fresh engineer, he has seen the food struggle of Indians, Americans residing in America, especially for the vegetarian food. His struggle empowered him to start the Indian food business to enable the local Indians to enjoy the home food despite being away from home. And this is the story of the birth of Patel Brothers. How many of you know there is a Patel Brothers? Give it up for Patel Brothers. Don't we all go? Today, they are the largest Indian grocery chain in the United States of America. I want to tell you, we went to St. Lucia last year, and in St. Lucia, there are not too many Indian restaurants, but we found one. So we went there, And we were surprised to see this owner who knew Mafat Bhai. So we were asking him, where do you get your grocery? And he goes, do you know Mafat Bhai? And I said, my brother Naren Patel, his best friend is Mafat Bhai. And anybody who come from Chicago, if they know Barack Obama, they know Mafat Bhai. What do you say, guys? So I was happy, and he was very excited that we get our groceries. I call Mafat Bhai calls me. So even if you go in Caribbeans, they get grocery from Patel Brothers. I just want to tell you how excited we were in St. Lucia when we were enjoying Indian food there. So Mafat Bhai believes that challenges are part of life, but in the long run, hard work and honesty always pays off. And the same has been noted to his staff, and his staff does work very hard. And when we think about air tours, we think about happy time. So when you pick up the phone and you talk to anybody from air tours, first you plan where you want to go. Then when you buy a ticket, you talk to your friends, oh, we are going here, we are planning to go. So us ladies, 6 months ago, what we gonna wear, where are we going? We tell our friends, family, we call people out of town. So it's a happy time. And when we come back, there is so much to talk about. So Mafat Bhai, you are making people happy, not only by feeding, but giving exciting time to everybody. May I call upon Mr. Mafat Patel, CEO of Air Tours. Mafat Bhai, please. Mafat Bhai is a man of few words, but today he's gonna pour his heart out. So Mafat Bhai is ready to talk, and we will listen to Mafat Bhai. Yes. Yes, it's here.
Good evening, everybody. I'm so happy to see you, everybody here. Ladies and gentlemen, for making yourself free from your busy schedule, this evening I'm truly humble to be here and speak on this occasion. I would like to thank effort of your esteemed prestigious clients. When we started Air Tours, we had a mission to provide the best service possible and prompt service. And to be success in achieving that goal, we were willing to go above and beyond no matter whatsoever cost. I wanted to thanks to our wonderful and excellent staff, and that it make most prestigious asset. As I reflect back to the past, when we were small fish in the big pond, it was our passion and most dedicated to clients and staff that help us make this big ocean to storm. As a great man once said, we are the choice, we make it life. So on that note, I think dedication of our staff, their almost hard work, and the clients are placing their trust in and choosing the Air Tours. All our success and whatever we have today would not be possible without you. Our highly valued client and constant support. It is your devotion to the company, your continued business throughout the years and continues to the success of the company. Although we have encouraged struggle along the way, it is because of you, our foremost supporter, that we have able to trump over those difficulties. We have to thank you for that. For you are the very backbone and heart of the company. To us, you are more than just a client and a businessman. You are the friend need, and you are the truly blessing treasure to be cherished and appreciated. Taking advantage of this occasion, warmest thanks to all my team for their hard work and outstanding contribution. I deeply appreciate their effort to make it big success. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank all of you for the trust upon us. Take care of your travel requirement year and year after. As always, as a great to know that we can count on you and go to extra mile. Thank you again for your support and making these evenings beautiful. There are so many more people who have supported us along the way, but I think I have take up enough for your time and enjoy the evening. Finally, you all know we are a sister concern of Patel Brothers, and Patel Brothers is company that's serving in this community last more than 35 years. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I won't take too much time. Now, once again, thank you everybody and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you, Mafat Bhai. We haven't heard Mafat Bhai saying this much, but we appreciate him. It was a great message. What do you say, guys? Give him a big round of applause, but having courage to say this much message to all of you. Are you ready for entertainment? Before we do that, we have a formal announcement. All of you know that Air Tours have been market leader in Midwest region for air tickets since inception. In the beginning of Air Tours, when Air Tours started with just the business of air ticketing, today Air Tours is one among the top consolidators for the most major airlines. Give it up for Air Tours staff, please. I would like to invite Ms. Varshaben Patel, Mentor, Leader, District Manager, to introduce staff. Ms. Varshaben Patel. How many of you know Varshaben Patel? There you go, there you go. Give her a great welcome. Welcome her with great clap.
Thank you, Vinaben. Good evening, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. You have taken time and energy to join us on this occasion, and no doubt, this was the result of a very good team and cooperation to gain your confidence in the services. I would like to take an opportunity to introduce our team. So let me invite first Ms. Pravina Patel, a major contributor to open the Shamburg office with business volume in nearby areas with a dedication since last 15 years. Give her a big hand. Mr. Manoj Choksi. Handling our accounts since last 15 years. Your ability to accommodate even when it wasn't easy or convenient assures others of a continuing, enjoyable, successful relationship with you. Mansi Brahmbhatt. Where's Mansi? A great contributor in the growth of the company with her excellent sales ability and leadership at our head office. All of you know Mansi. Hema Raj. Hema, your dedication contributes to our success since last 12 years with full on energy. Hitesh Bhai, a very dedicated and hardworking, bringing up new products, excellent trainer to team with his great knowledge, especially for tours and cruises. Hitesh Bhai. Binita. Binita, your personal commitment to the quality is obvious in everything you do. Vandana. Vandana, you consistently go the extra mile. Jagdish Bhai. It is your careful attention to detail that makes you so special, Jagdish Bhai. Pavitra. A professional approach makes her most favorite among customers. Other well-experienced staff supporting in the ticketing are Rutva, a very supportive member of the team participating in success. Bhaskar, is a good listener and ability to accommodate brings enjoying relationship with client. Asra, Asra, we recognize and appreciate your dedicated efforts. Farhin, your desire and willingness efforts lead us to success, Farhin. Miss Sana, a well-experienced person guarantees a continuing successful relationship. Anil Bhai, handling the best administrative on backhand. Rohan, very supportive to the team with his hard work. We have another two girls, unfortunately, they could not participate. We miss them, Sunita and Mohini. The service they provide exceeded all expectations. Thank you, team. Appreciate to make our event successful. Sure. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for your time and have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
Mafat Bhai, can you join them for a photo op, please? There is no team without a leader, so you need to be there. And Tulsi Bhai. Tulsi Bhai, please join them for photo op. I see you, yes. Join them. Amrit Bhai, please join them for photo op. And if you have not dropped your business card, now I would like to invite Mr. Muhammad Anwar from Etihad Airways. Mr. Muhammad Anwar. I would like to call upon Mansi to welcome him with bouquet. Now, I would like to call upon Mansi to welcome Mr. Anwar Muhammad. Give it up for Mr. Muhammad. Thank you. Thank you. He is our preferred airline partner from Etihad Airways, and they are going to give one business class ticket. The first raffle is business class air ticket from Etihad Airways, and Mr. Anwar Muhammad will give a presentation. Welcome Mr. Anwar Muhammad on the stage, please, with a big round of applause.
Thank you, Bina. Good evening, everyone. As most of you already know now, my name is Muhammad Anwar, and I'm one of the account manager of Etihad Airways. It's really an honor for me to represent Etihad in front of this wonderful audience, and definitely, sure. The credit definitely goes to Mafat Bhai and the team for giving us the opportunity to be to be part of this wonderful event. And Mafat Bhai, after Mafat Bhai's speech, I'm kind of speechless. I'm very. It's a wonderful, very solid speech, the Mafat Bhai ki. So you did a great job, Mafat Bhai. Tonight, I'm going to share you a small presentation which will tell you about who we are and what we serve. After the presentation, we'll have a small video which will be kind of a recap what we were going to see in the presentation. And just to make more entertaining and excitement after the video, I have a quiz session for you guys. And I do have a very exclusive prizes for you. So I really need your focus on for the next at least 10 minutes. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions, and definitely you will have a chance to win those exclusive prizes. So let's start with the presentation. Etihad is the national airline of UAE, United Arab Emirates. We're based in Abu Dhabi, which is the capital of UAE. We started in November 2003 with the clear vision to be the best airline in the world. In just 9 years of time, we won over 100 international awards, including the world-leading airline and the best first-class awards we've been getting since 2009. Every year, since 2009, we've been getting the award. We fly out of Chicago, New York, Washington, in the USA. From Canada, we fly out of Toronto, and from Brazil, we fly out of Sao Paulo. It's a non-stop flight to Abu Dhabi, and we connect to 86 destinations all over the network, including 9 destinations in India, which is Ahmedabad is, of course, one of them, one of the key market for us now. Next. In less than 10 years, we really created a history by carrying the maximum number of passengers than any other airline in aviation history. Flying to 86 destinations, 56 countries with 84 aircraft. It's clearly proved that we are the fastest growing airline in the world, and that the graph definitely shows that our growth is the fastest growing airline in the world. And we don't want to forget our codeshare partners. With the help of our codeshare partner, we have expanded our network to 325 destinations all over the world. And with the codeshare partners, this is how our network looks like. America, with American Airlines, we have a strong network in America. Europe, with Air France, KLM, Air Berlin, we have strong network in Europe. Australia and New Zealand, we have with Virgin Australia, and soon with Jet Airways. That will be upcoming partnership, which is still need to be signed by the government. So, but it's already been done. So that will be another, after Jet Airways, that will be another 28 destinations, new destinations in India. That will be from Abu Dhabi to India. So we are so excited about it. We provide complimentary chauffeur service to our Pearl Business Class and Diamond First Class guests here in Chicago, New York with 70 miles of radius. In Abu Dhabi Airport, we provide chauffeur service which will take you anywhere in the UAE and many other cities, including 5 destinations in India. And those 5 destinations are Bombay, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. So we provide complimentary chauffeur service in these 5 destinations in India. So I don't think any other airline provide chauffeur service in India. So we are the only one who provides chauffeur service, and we are so excited about it. For our Coral Economy Class passengers, we provide complimentary chauffeur service. Complimentary chauffeur service in Abu Dhabi Airport, and we will take you to Dubai. So it's a complimentary chauffeur service which you can book from, of course, when you make a booking with Air Tours, ask them you want to go to Dubai, so they can book a reservation for chauffeur service also. Without any cost, it's a complimentary chauffeur service. I don't know if many of you been to Dubai, I guess. So how many of you been to Abu Dhabi? I can't really see it. Okay, and what about Abu Dhabi? And what about Dubai? So many of you been to Dubai, yes. And you know, by looking at this map, it's pretty clear, but I'm telling you from my personal experience, because I used to be with Emirates, so I've been to Dubai and Abu Dhabi now, so I know that region very well. But my personal experience, if you want to go to Dubai, the fastest way is going via Abu Dhabi. It's because Dubai has 2 parts, Old Dubai and New Dubai. The airport is located in Old Dubai. So once you arrive in Dubai, it's a big airport, long check-in queues, almost a mile walk. And of course, it takes an hour and a half just to get out from the airport in Dubai. And then, of course, you get stuck in the traffic because it's located in the Old Dubai. It takes another hour just to be there to New Dubai, because New Dubai is the place where normally people go. On the other hand, if you go to arrive Abu Dhabi, it takes you 15 to 20 minutes to get out from the airport. Outside, if you're traveling in business and first class, you have your chauffeur service available. And for economy class passenger, you have your coach service available. Will take you, at least it will take 60 minutes to drop you to the Dubai airport. So to Dubai, main New Dubai. So it's very convenient and it's very time saving. So my advice is, next time if you want to go to Dubai, please choose Etihad, go to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and then take these services, complimentary services. We welcome everyone who fly with us as our guest. So be our guest and get the experience of our unique product. Our award-winning Diamond First Class, where we have 82.5-inch private suite, and it has 80-inch fully flat bed. Now you can see that, click. The animation will give you an idea how our first class look like. It's 80-inch fully flat bed with your own chef on board. You have a luxury changing room, and of course it's a leather seating. On our Pearl Business Class, the seats convert into fully flat bed. You have your own food and beverage manager, inbuilt massage, and of course, what I like about business class, our business class, is every seat has access to its aisle. So if you are sitting on the window, you don't need to worry about person right sitting next to you, because there's nobody sitting right next to you. You have your own privacy. So window, no aisle next to it. You have your own privacy, so you have your own access to your aisle. And this is how our business class look like. It's converted into fully flat bed, and of course, inbuilt massage. And our comfortable economy class, where you can enjoy 650 hours of entertainment with your own personal touch screen, which is a 10.4-inch touch screen. And we have 650 hours of entertainment, and you have noise control headsets, 3 course of meal available. So this is how our economy class looks like with your headrates. It is economy. Etihad, we always committed to make sure that our guests, their journey is pleasant and relaxed. And we know that traveling with the family is always difficult, especially with traveling with the little ones. So we recently introduced a nanny. So flying nanny available on board. Can you believe it? I've never heard this before. So I think we should have a clap for this. There you go. Yeah, so nanny is available, nanny on board available, so you don't need to worry about little ones. Once you arrive, once you get into the plane, from the boarding gate, the nanny would be available to help you for your little ones and throughout the journey, just to make sure that you have a pleasant trip. Once you arrive at Abu Dhabi Airport, you can, for first and business class passengers, definitely can enjoy our luxury lounges and for business class and first class lounges where you have entertainment ports available, meeting rooms available, cigar lounge, all good stuff. Wi-Fi is available throughout the airport. It doesn't have to be on the lounge. Even if you are in the waiting area traveling in economy, you have Wi-Fi access available. However, there's like something very exciting in our business and first class lounge, which is, again, nanny. So we have a family room in our lounges. If you're traveling with your family, of course, you can drop your little ones. There are trained nannies available in the family lounge and family room, and they can take care of your kids. While your kids are safe in the family lounge, you can enjoy a spa treatment. That's a complimentary spa treatment, no cost. Of course, it's a 15 to 20 minutes spa treatment available, so you don't need to worry. You can relax. Don't worry about your kids. We will take care of it. Or, if you want, you can take a nap. So we have a snooze room available, so you can take a nap, and or while you're taking nap, your shoe would be polished and your clothes will be ironed. And you can take shower also. So don't forget, don't delay and call tomorrow to Air Tours, make a reservation. But before you fly, make a reservation, but before you fly, make sure you sign up for the mileage program. Our mileage program, it's called Etihad Guest Program. There is something unique about in our program than other airline is our guest miles program, there's no blackout restriction. There's no blackout. You can redeem your miles anytime you want. So no need to worry about the high season, low season. It's anytime available. You can redeem it anytime. And if you don't have enough miles, you can do cash plus miles option also. So you can use, if you don't have enough miles, you can pay cash and you can combine it and you can redeem your tickets or upgrade, whatever you want to do it. And there's one last point, which is in our miles program, which is very important, which I like it. It's the family membership. So as a family, you can combine all your family members into family membership plan. So if you're traveling with the family, you can use those miles for your family, your kids, your wife. They're traveling. You can get advantage of these miles also. So you can redeem their miles. So they don't have to travel with you. You can, even you're traveling now, your family traveling next day, it doesn't matter. You can still get their miles. So family membership is something very unique, which we have it. And for the business professional and business companies and corporate accounts, we have a specific mileage program. It's called Business Connect. Most of you already have those brochures. Business Connect is the mileage program for the company. So, for example, if you're a corporate executive, you are a businessman, you have your miles agreement, but you have your company also, ABC Corporation, you can sign up Business Connect for your company, and you can link yourself or other executive into Business Connect, and you can get additional miles as a company also. So you'll be getting miles, but at the same time, your company will be getting miles also. This is a very very unique and popular program in the corporate industry, and we really and those miles you can redeem. You can buy tickets, and you can redeem by doing shopping. There are many things you can do it. There are so many things available. So those brochures are available, and I know there are a lot of information, but if you need any clarification, any question, please, I'm right there. You can come to me and ask me anytime you want. Okay? So this is the presentation. For a business class round trip ticket, Etihad Airways, from Chicago or New York or Washington to anywhere we fly. And it's a business class, round trip ticket. Here you go.
Mrs.
Patel.
and Dr. Panna Barai and Mafat Patel.
તાળીઓની
One of
ગડગડાટ
you
થઈ
will
જાય,
be
please.
the lucky winner. Ramesh Ajwani.
રમેશ સજવાની,
my
please
God.
welcome.
Ramesh.
रमेश जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए, प्लीज.
Ramesh Ajwani ji.
प्लीज वेलकम रमेश
Oh my
सजवानी जी.
God. He won the business class ticket from Etihad Airways. रमेश अजवानी जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां. He surprised. Mr. Ramesh Ajwani ji is a lucky winner. May I call upon Mr. Ravi Shankar from Vacation Exotica? Yeah, this is the second raffle, and we thank you, Mr. Ravi Shankar. Give it up. This is the second raffle, and he's going to talk about his raffle.
Good evening. I hope all of you are in high spirits. If you're not, the bar is open. So in between, when you get a little bored from all the speeches that you're going to get in your appreciation, you can definitely go and pick up a drink and get into high spirits. First of all, a big thank you to Mafat Bhai to invite me to be amongst you in this great occasion this evening. It's really a great honor to see all of you taking time out, especially on a Sunday, to come here when tomorrow is going to be a busy day for all of you. I have been associated with Air Tours for nearly 15 years now. And I stand here only because of all of you. Though I take the credit for the holidays that we organize for all of you, I would like to specifically mention few people who make this possible from my team. Jagdish Bhatt, Jairaj Stallion, Rakesh Shetty, Zubin. I miss all of them. And I wish I could bring them also, but they are busy with doing their own tours. The season is still on. I was actually going to do a presentation. He's already gone to the third slide. Okay. Basically, Air Tours Holidays and Vacation Exotica together bring the holidays for you. And Next. And we thank you for choosing Air Tours for your preferred holidays. A lot of you wonder why Air Tours and Vacation Exotica. It's nothing but one company. We only do the back end, and they are the people who face you to sell the holidays to you. We do the operating and designing of the tours based on your experiences and your comments. We make sure that we bring you better holidays every year. We thank you for choosing Air Tours for planning your holidays. We promise to bring you quality tours with transparent and competitive pricing and new destinations to travel. We want to be the window to the world for all of you. There are many tours that we operate. Europe, there are several tours. Scandinavia and Russia, which has been a very popular tour this year. Spain and Portugal. East Europe. South America, of course. Greece and Turkey. Kenya and South Africa. Australia and New Zealand. Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore. China. Cambodia and Vietnam. South Korea and Japan. Indonesia. And these are some of the snapshots of our satisfied customers, which you can see, who traveled with us this year. At Air Tours and Vacation Exotica, our only aim is to bring you the best holidays with quality service, and we'll continue to do this. And we value your comments very much. So feel free, whenever we don't do something right, to write to us so that we can only give you better holidays. We have a small quiz. I'm sure, Hitin, don't be in a hurry to fill this up, because these two raffles are going to be held a little later, because many of you may not be carrying a pen. You take your time to fill this up completely, and you stand to win two exciting prizes. I promise you, you'll be really thrilled with the prize that you're going to get. Apart from this, there are several other holidays which we are going to give away this evening. Varsha, the other raffle we're going to have now. The quiz can be filled up by each and every one. There are two sides. Please fill it up completely to qualify for the raffle.
Let's hear for Varsha Ben.
देखिए कौन है वो तकदीर वाला जो जिनके नाम का ये टिकट निकल रहा है।
Suspense.
Urmila Ben Amin.
उर्मिला बेन, उर्मिला बेन क्या छो, प्लीज वेलकम।
Dilip Bhai Amin. Urmila Ben Amin.
उर्मिला बेन अमीन।
Give a big round of applause for Urmila Ben.
क्या छे उर्मिला बेन માટે જોરદાર તાળી પાડજો, જોરદાર તાળીઓ પ્લીઝ। સરસ।
Okay. The raffle is for a couple to Thailand for 4 nights, 5 days. Of course, they have to buy the air ticket from Air Tours, and they will make all the arrangements. And it's a fully paid holiday for 2 people for Thailand.
Wow.
भाई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, जोरदार तालियां उर्मिला बहन के लिए।
Now, it will be our third raffle. A further addition to the industry and latest venture was Masti Cruise. We have the cruise vacations for various destinations with Indian meals and Bollywood style entertainment, which have been very successful ever since. May I invite Miss Binita to come on stage and welcome Miss Sandra from Norwegian Cruise Lines. Miss Sandra and Miss Binita, please come on stage. Binita, please welcome Miss Sandra.
Good evening. Is everyone having a good time? Thank you very much for including me in such a special event. I appreciate your attention this evening. I won't take too much of your time. I'm going to share some information about our cruises and talk to you about Norwegian Cruise Line. By far, our most popular destination is Hawaii. Anyone been to Hawaii? Well, if you've been to Hawaii before, you've never seen it like this. We offer over 100 hours of in-port time, more than any other cruise line. You visit 5 islands, 6 ports, with 2 overnights in Maui and Kauai. That is our Pride of America, which recently got invested $30 million to upgrade suites and staterooms. We're the #1 itinerary in Hawaii 6 years in a row, and won the award for Best Luau in Kauai. As I mentioned before, it's our most popular destination. One of the reasons is the 2 overnights, and we offer an authentic experience with Hawaiian ambassadors on board that teach you how to dance the hula. Another popular destination is Alaska. We have the most modern fleet of any other cruise line in Alaska. We offer 2 destinations out of Seattle, so you can choose to leave either on a Saturday or a Sunday. And if you have a little bit more time, I recommend the Norwegian Sun. It offers one-way itineraries between Whittier and Vancouver, which also offers an authentic experience with park rangers coming on board to narrate about the glaciers and native Alaskan guides. We are very well known for our restaurants. We have many ships with up to 27 restaurants, many of which are included with your cruise fare. And of course, no cruise line would be complete without being the Caribbean. We just recently won the Caribbean's top cruise line. We offer memorable nightlife. There are, like I said, 22 bars and lounges, world-class entertainment from Broadway producers on board our ships. We stay in port longer, and you visit our private island, which also went under a $30 million renovation. We sail out of we have 8 ships going to the Caribbean, leaving from Houston, New York, Tampa, New Orleans, and of course, Miami. And in February, we're bringing a brand new ship to the Caribbean, and I won't tell you anything about it because my words cannot give it justice. I will show you. The video?
Let's go.
to go cruising?
May I call up Ms. Dolly Patel, daughter-in-law of Muffat Bai, for the third raffle and holidays cruise team, please?
It's okay.
Sandra, Dolly Patel, and holidays in cruise team. Can you please come on stage to meet her? Stand next.
Pallavi Kobawala.
Who is the lucky winner?
Pallavi Kobawala.
Pallavi, come. Come fast.
देखिए, दीजिए रविशंकर जी के।
Dr. Tawani, Dr. Saroja Tawani, please.
डॉक्टर तवानी, so please welcome. जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए। डॉक्टर अजमेरी, so please welcome. रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि वो मंच पर आए। डॉक्टर अजमेरी, प्लीज। जोरदार ताड़ियों થઈ જાય એમના માટે, પ્લીઝ।
Okay. You win a 3-night 4-day Singapore package for 2 of you.
मैं डॉक्टर साहब से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि वो एक कूपन निकाले। देखिए अब कौन है किस्मत वाला। ब्लू स्टार मोटेल, ब्लू स्टार मोटेल, प्लीज।
Mr. Raj from Blue Star Motel.
राज जी आप आए हैं, क्या बात है। जोरदार तालियां राज जी के लिए। गुड राज जी, चलिए देखिए, बहुत खूब, बहुत बढ़िया।
Okay, you win a holiday to Turkey for 3 nights 4 days for 2 people. Thank you. Looking forward to it. Thank you.
तालियां, come on everybody.
अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारा जैसा टूर कहाँ मिलेगा। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारा जैसा टूर कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ पेरिस की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 लंदन। अजी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ पेरिस की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 पेरिस। कम ऑन, आइए आइए आइए, नीचे आइए। कम ऑन कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, कम ऑन, लेट्स डांस, कम ऑन। All ladies, come on! तुमको दिखलाता हूँ दुबई की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 दुबई।
everybody, जितने भी गेस्ट हैं सभी ज्वाइन हो जाइए प्लीज।
फिरते हैं आशिक निराले, ढूंढो यहाँ तुम भी साथी, मिल जाएंगे हुस्न वाले, हाथों में हाथों को डाले। फिरते हैं आशिक निराले, ढूंढो यहाँ तुम भी साथी, मिल जाएंगे हुस्न वाले। जी ऐसा मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा टूर कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ लंदन की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 देखो
One more, come on! Come on, everybody! Come on, all of you! Hey. Come on! क्या बात है? बहुत खूब!
देखो ये परियों की टोली, मीठी मीठी जिनकी बोली, क्या क्या दिल पर रंग जमाए, कदमों की ये आदमी चले। और देखो ये परियों की टोली, मीठी मीठी जिनकी बोली, क्या क्या दिल पर रंग जमाए, जलवों की ये आदमी चोली। मौका फिर कहाँ मिलेगा, हमारे जैसा दिल कहाँ मिलेगा। आओ तुमको दिखलाता हूँ पेरिस की एक रंगी शाम। देखो 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 Honeymoon in Paris, honeymoon in Paris, honeymoon in Paris। मेरे सपनों की रानी। One more song, don't go away, don't go, don't go. One more beautiful song. All of you.
Hey काका, hey पुष्पा, hey पुष्पा.
हो हे हा। मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आई रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आए की गलियां, बाग की गलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है। प्यार की गलियां, आग की गलियां, सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है। इत पनघट पे किस दिन
Varsha Dalal. Is Varsha Dalal there?
अरे अरे क्या बात है!
Finally.
जोरदार तालियां इनके लिए। वर्षा बेन, लाल कड़ी मैदान कड़ी, क्या खूब लड़ी, क्या खूब लड़ी, हम दिल से गए। प्लीज वेलकम, वेलकम बेन, वेलकम वेलकम। जोरदार तालियां થઈ જાય એમના માટે પ્લીઝ। કેવું એક સેકન્ડ બેન, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ। આ બેન તો જોતા બી નહીં આ બાજુ આવે તો। બેન, મોટી બેન, અરે આ બાજુ તો આવો, ટિકિટ મળી ગઈ એટલે અમને ભૂલી ગયા। આ પટેલ બ્રધર્સ એમને મફતભાઈ પ્લીઝ આઈએ। થેન્ક યુ, જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ તો કહો, આવી જાઓ ઉપર। સરસ, હા સરસ,
થેન્ક યુ।
કંપની માટે બે શબ્દો
થેન્ક યુ ફોર મફતભાઈ પટેલ। આ ટિકિટ મને મળી એ પ્રમાણે એનાથી હું બહુ જ આનંદ ખુશી છું છે।
બેન આટલા ખુશ થઈ ગયા છે કે એમનાથી બોલવાતું નથી। કારણ કે એટલા બધા હેપી થઈ ગયા છે તો જોરદાર તાળીઓ થઈ જાય વર્ષાબેન માટે और जिन जिन लोग हमारे मेहमानों का नंबर नहीं लगा है लेकिन मफत भाई આવતા વર્ષ એમનો વારો જરૂર આવશે
Okay, one more.
सरस चलिए अब ये मेरा नाम बोलेंगे हाँ
स्मिता मेहता.
स्मिता बेन स्मिता मेहता सरस क्या बात है ये बात है ये बात है ये बात है स्मिता जी सरस हैप्पी 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 सरस क्या बात है
Thank you very much for Air Tour and everybody. Thank you.
आपको बच्चन की एक्टिंग करने में डायलॉग बोलूंगा तो शाहरुख खान मफत पटेल तो चलिए खाली आपको ऐसा हाथ करने का हम वो है जो किसी के पीछे खड़े नहीं होते हैं
हम वो है जो जिसके पीछे नहीं पड़ते खड़े रहते हैं
हम वो है जो किसी के पीछे खड़े नहीं होते
हम जो है वो किसी के पीछे खड़े नहीं रहते
जहाँ खड़े होते हैं लाइन वैसे शुरू होती है
जिधर खड़े होते हैं उधर से लाइन शुरू होती है
क्या बात है जली को आग कहते हैं बुझी को राख कहते हैं जली को आग कहते हैं बुझी को राख कहते हैं
जली को आग कहते हैं बुझी को राख कहते हैं
जिस राख से बारूद बनती है
जिस राख से बारूद बनती है उसको मफत पटेल कहते हैं
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना ओ कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना
राजू भाई come on everybody come on खुशबू है तेरा आना भी कदम यकीलू है
टूटी ना अंगड़ाई हो मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटी तू आजा मेरी अंगड़ाई ना टूटी तू आजा
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना किसी से भी चुकता नहीं, दर्द होता है दर्द जब चुकता नहीं।
मेरा गम तो किसी से भी चुकता नहीं, दर्द होता है दर्द कभी चुकता नहीं।
आजा टूटी ना अंगड़ाई,
न टूटे तू आजा मेरी अंगड़ाई, न टूटे तू आजा।
कजरा रे कजरा रे कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैन